Is your electric motor humming but refusing to start? Don't panic. In this video, we'll walk through 7 common causes for this issue and provide you with easy, safe tests to diagnose the problem yourself. AI might be able to write code, but it can't turn a wrench to fix your motor. You need real diagnostic skills. A humming sound tells us the motor is getting power, but it isn't generating the necessary starting torque. Let's isolate the fault. The golden rule: turn the power off. A humming motor that won't start draws massive electrical current, which can quickly overheat and burn out the windings. Always disconnect and isolate the main supply before performing any tests. First suspect: a failed starting capacitor. This component creates the phase shift required to build a rotating magnetic field that starts the motor. Remember to switch off the power, discharge the capacitor safely, and inspect it for swelling or leaks before testing its capacitance with a meter. Suspect 2: jammed bearings or shaft. If the motor can't rotate freely, it will just hum and draw excessive current. With the power disconnected, try to turn the shaft by hand. Look for signs of rust or mechanical damage to the bearings. Suspect 3: low supply voltage. Your motor needs full voltage to start properly. Low voltage often stems from undersized cables, loose terminals, or overloaded circuits. Be sure to measure the voltage directly at the motor terminals while attempting to start the motor, rather than relying on no-load readings. Suspect 4: a starting winding fault. Single-phase motors use 2 windings, a main winding to run and an auxiliary winding to start. If the auxiliary winding is open, burnt, or disconnected, the motor won't turn. Isolate the motor and perform resistance and continuity tests on the windings. Suspect 5: a faulty centrifugal switch. Older motors use this switch to engage the starting circuit. If the switch gets stuck or the contacts become burnt or damaged, the starting circuit won't engage and the motor will simply hum. Suspect 6: mechanical overload. Sometimes the motor is fine, but the equipment attached to it is blocked. Whether it's a jammed pump impeller, a seized fan bearing, or a stuck conveyor belt, disconnect the mechanical load and test the motor again to verify. Suspect 7: incorrect wiring. This is a common issue following maintenance. Carefully verify all capacitor and winding connections, look for loose or burnt terminals, confirm the phase and neutral wiring, and double-check your motor voltage configuration. For 3-phase motors, consider the edge case of, quote, single phasing. If one phase is lost, the motor won't start and will draw dangerous levels of current, leading to rapid overheating. Check your fuses and contactors immediately if this occurs. Use this diagnostic matrix to narrow down the issue. Match your symptoms, such as whether the shaft turns freely or if the motor gets hot quickly, to the most likely cause to streamline your repair process. Follow this standard operating protocol. If the motor hums, turn off the power, check for mechanical freedom, then test the capacitor, supply voltage, internal circuits, and finally, the mechanical load. Master your tools and fix it right. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe for more advanced diagnostic guides, and share it with other technicians and DIYers.